Tune up on the truck, oil change. All these DSMs are under construction, getting ready to make the trip to Missouri. These guys are doing the interior on the black car. One boy. And the other boy's in there, and then can't barely see her, but my grandbaby right there. All right, everything is loaded, ready to go. Got a bed full of crap in my poor truck. Look at this thing. Hell yeah. Making our way to Missouri right now. Damn near the whole fam bam. Ma's got her new OEM 2GB Eclipse wheels with fresh tires. This thing's loaded down too. This thing. Also loaded down. Ooh, that lope though.
$2G goes to Missouri. First trip is to Flagstaff.
First room, Flagstaff. The trip with all the DSMs.
Okay, we used to do that.
You guys want to use
We
this?
put them in here and then
Making the trip. First short trip to Flagstaff. Next morning, getting ready to leave. Everybody's getting ready. We got this one here. We got that dude there grubbing. We got mine. One in the bathroom. And the other ones are downstairs getting grub. Coming to a highway near you. Getting ready to leave. Flagstaff to New Mexico. Soda sexy. Soda sexy. Alright, went to top off the car and she's pissing out of the top of the gas tank, the gasket. So, looky there. it was actually the fuel pump gasket pissing out fuel, and then we had an issue with the pins on the fuel pump wiring. But we're all set again on the road. Next morning, leaving New Mexico, headed to Oklahoma. Second fuel pump of the trip. I'll explain later when I make the video, but 2G, that Panda already had an issue with this fuel pump. Again, I'll explain it later. We're all camping out next to an Oreillys. My turn.
For race fuel.
Look at this idiot. I want to hear the lap.
I like how they have that strapped down.
Look what made it. We did have our hiccups, but they're all here. Time to unload. Got the wheels already out of the back of the truck. Got the boys, oh shit, got the boys 2GB stuff. Gotta unload this guy the rest of the way. We got exhausts, seats. We got parts bin there. This bitch is slam full. Look at that pretty thing.